So my most popular pieces are pieces with my signature sleek lock. I have designed and made my sleek lock in a 3D drawing software where I scale them up or down according to the width of the Cuban I'm going to make. When it's the right size, they're casted into the correct carat of gold. So after the pieces are casted, it's really important that you renovate them thoroughly so you get an even and smooth looking surface. A well-made sleek lock has a perfect fit, so in this process it's a lot of back and forth to get the perfect finish. Thermal lock is a really useful tool to secure the piece before setting the diamonds. Diamond setting is a time-consuming process and it's really important to do it carefully. I solder on the lock before adding the last diamonds because I don't want to expose them to the heat. And this snap right here is like music to my ears. I've been posting videos every Sunday the last 5 or 6 weeks, so make sure you subscribe and don't miss the next one, because they'll be coming.